FI series inverter. The 3 kilowatt inverter and 12 volt to 220 volt power inverter have 48 volt and 24 volt battery voltage. Inverter 5 kilowatt is true pure sine wave output with the low frequency with toroidal transformer. Transfer efficiency greater than 85%. Inbuilt 35 ampere AC charger. Intelligent cooling system. It uses the latest toroidal transformer, triple surge power, support freezer, conditioner, welder, etc. Inbuilt with 3 control modes for different demands, support SLA, AGM, GEL battery.